What are y'all doing?
Making sure that Ryan didn't mess up our artwork.
Your what?
Our artwork.
What's your artwork?
It says your BFFs and then it has like a smiley face and a heart and a swirly. With that with the two things.
So now she's now picking up her.
Shut up! Is that my camera?
Yes. Ah!
What is it? Hey, Ashley!
Throw it back down.
You guys are so weird. Oh, shit. We're trying to do this as long as possible.
Oh God! Ashley, go get it!
I didn't get to throw one yet.
Oh gosh!
Why are we doing this?
I don't know.
As long as possible.
Hey, you film.
I have to go potty. I have to go potty.
Kimberly. Oh, I get one. No, Emily, seriously, I'm gonna.
Ready?